Concern spread across the stadium during the All-Ireland Hurling quarter-final between Clare and Dublin, when Clare forward David Reidy suffered a serious-looking injury after a collision with Dublin player Brendan Kenny. Reidy went down immediately and required lengthy medical attention on the field before being carried off on a stretcher. The incident shocked players and supporters, with many expressing concern for his condition. Match officials reviewed the challenge, and Kenny was shown a red card. While reports suggest there was no malicious intent, the impact appeared significant enough to leave Reidy unable to continue. Fans across Ireland have since been sending messages of support and hoping for a positive update on the Clare star's recovery. The incident has become one of the most talked about moments from the match and continues to trend across social media.